Today we're showing you a 2022 John Deere 5100E tractor, a four-wheel drive cab tractor with a John Deere 540M quick attach front end loader. Tractor has only 30 hours on it. Very, very low hour machine, hardly has any usage at all. It does come with the full balance of the remaining factory warranty, which runs into 2027. It's a very, very nice tractor here, very, very close to new, again with only 30 hours. Engine is rated at 100 horsepower, and again it does have the 540M quick attach loader that goes right with the tractor. It does have the global style hookup for your bucket connection. You can see the bucket has not been used. Grill guard is on the machine. '18 430 tires on the back, 12 4.24s on the front. Work lights front and back of the tractor. Does have the triple remotes back here, 540 and 540E PTO. See where there has been something hooked to the drawbar. 3-point does not look like it's been hooked. Still see the pips on the tires. And again, just about as close to new as we're going to be able to find for you. Inside of the cab looks new, still smells new in here. Has a tilt-in telescopic steering wheel, air ride seat here for the operator. Has a power reverser transmission. Does have the upgraded 24-speed transmission. Got 3 ranges back here, 4 gears on this lever, which gives you 12 speeds, plus the power high-low. The buttons here splits each gear so you can go up and down one time in each gear without clutching. Gives you a total of 24 speeds. 3-point hydraulic loader controls, all located to the right. Up top you have your climate controls, rear view mirror, and sun visor. Very, very sharp tractor. It does again come with the balance of the factory warranty, which runs into 2027, looks like November of 2027. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at massedtractor.com.